Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Tamara Card online. Getting a Tamara Card online is quick and straightforward. The Tamara Card functions like a buy now, pay later debit card, allowing you to shop online conveniently. To get started, simply register on the Tamara app or website by providing your phone number, a valid ID for verification, your payment card details, and your email address. Once your account is verified and you meet the eligibility requirements, Tamara will automatically issue you an online card, which you can immediately use for your purchases. Keep in mind that spending limits may apply depending on your account and verification status. By the process, it's entirely digital, making it fast and hassle-free. Additionally, you can manage your Tamara card directly from the app, check your transaction history, monitor your available balance, and even get reminders for upcoming payments, giving you full control and peace of mind while shopping online. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.